Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change your age on Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of this video. And let's get to our topic. And open the Facebook app on your phone. And then in the bottom right corner, click on the menu section. In the top right corner, go to the gear to open privacy settings. Here you will need to open Meta Account Center. Select Personal Information. After which you will see an item called Birthday. Click on it. And then in the right-hand corner, click Change. This will take you to changing your birthday. And if you click on this line, you can, as you can see, change the date of the month, also the year of your birth, which will change your age on Facebook accordingly. Once you've made the changes that you want to make, click Save, and all the changes will be immediately saved on your Facebook page. But let me tell you right away that after you save the changes, they will be applied not only to this Facebook page, but to all pages that are linked to this particular Meta Account Center. Meaning, if you have multiple Facebook pages and Instagram pages as well, the changes will happen everywhere. This is how it is, friends. You will be able to change your age on Facebook very easily and quickly. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please put your likes, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to write comments, and until new meetings.